Becoming a new parent is an exciting journey full of love, joy, and its fair share of challenges. From sleepless nights to constant diaper changes, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Here are some simple, practical hacks to make life with your baby a little easier and a lot more blissful. A pacifier can be a powerful calming tool for new parents when used correctly. It helps soothe a fussy baby, provides comfort between feedings, and may even promote better sleep by satisfying a baby's natural sucking reflex. When used in moderation, a pacifier can offer instant relief and create peaceful moments for both baby and parents. A white noise machine can be a game changer for new parents by recreating the comforting sounds of the womb. The gentle, consistent noise helps block out sudden disturbances and calms an overstimulated baby, making it easier for them to relax and fall asleep. Used during naps or at night time, white noise can help your baby fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. This leads to more peaceful rest and much-needed relaxation for both baby and parents. Pack a portable caddy with baby essentials for each room to make daily care easier and stress-free. Having diapers, wipes, and creams within reach saves time and prevents rushed moments. It also allows you to respond quickly to your baby's needs without leaving them unattended. This simple hack keeps your routine smooth and adds more calm, blissful moments to your day. Using a baby carrier is a wonderful way to keep your little one close while staying hands-free. The gentle motion and warmth help soothe your baby, while you can move around comfortably and get simple tasks done. It also strengthens the bond between you and your baby, while making daily routines easier to manage. This simple hack helps create calm, blissful moments for both baby and parent. Swaddling helps your baby feel safe and secure by providing a snug, comforting environment. Use lightweight, breathable fabrics, and always leave enough space for the hips to move naturally. Proper swaddling can reduce the startle reflex and calm a fussy baby. When done correctly, it encourages longer, more restful sleep and brings peace of mind to new parents. Rotate a few toys or books each week to keep your baby engaged and curious. Small changes in their environment stimulate learning, prevent boredom, and make playtime more exciting. This simple hack creates joyful, enriching moments while supporting your baby development. By following these simple hacks, you will enjoy more peaceful, joyful, and unforgettable moments with your little one every day. Turning everyday chaos into cherished baby bliss.